The Philippines is a country blessed with rich natural resources and people who work hard and take pride in what they do. It is also a land that sits in the path of nature's convulsions, constantly visited by typhoons, rocked by earthquakes and volcanic activity. Filipinos move on, gallantly facing the challenges of nature and day-to-day existence. As a developing country, government social services and anti-poverty measures exist at a rudimentary level. For an estimated 4.7 million poor families, natural calamities or personal tragedies can sink them deeper into debt and hopelessness.
Nang abutin kami ng baha, naubos lahat ng aming ari-arian at pati ang aming pinagkakitaan. Napayak na lamang ako, hindi ko malaman kung paano kami babangon muli.
Wala kaming naisalba, naubos lahat sa sunog. Sa awa ng Diyos, nasagip yung mga anak ko. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ng buhay namin ngayon.
Yung asawa ko lang ang may trabaho. Ngayon, wala na siya. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. Walang naiwan na kahit ano para sa amin. Wala siyang insurance. Mahirap lang kami.
Our recent experiences with typhoons Ondoy and Pepeng and the threat of Mayon volcano's eruption have further emphasized the need for a program to help poor Filipinos get back on their feet after debilitating loss. The time has come to recognize the need for insurance products for the low-income and informal sectors. It is time for microinsurance. Microinsurance refers to the provision of insurance products and services that meet the needs of the low-income sector for risk protection and relief against distress and misfortune. The insurance market for the poor has been largely untapped by major insurance providers. Despite a large potential market, this reluctance to provide microinsurance is understandable. The huge investments in product development, infrastructure, and manpower needed to service the majority of the lower-income sector is daunting. In poor urban communities and rural areas, however, organizations that have long been servicing the financial needs of the less fortunate already exist. Currently, about 2,000 microfinance institutions have been providing credit and financial assistance to over 7 million clients who previously did not have any access to banks and other lending facilities. Tapping the reach of these microfinance institutions is the key to establishing the microinsurance market. The national strategy and the regulatory framework for microinsurance envision the development of a private microinsurance market that provides appropriate risk protection products and services to the low-income sector. This will be achieved by establishing appropriate regulations that protect microinsurance clients and encourage private insurance providers to engage in microinsurance, formalizing existing informal insurance schemes, and increasing awareness on the need for and importance of microinsurance. From the government will come enabling policies and regulations to encourage private sector participation to provide microinsurance services. From private insurance providers will come simple and affordable microinsurance products fitted to the needs of the poor. Microfinance institutions acting as brokers or agents will make use of their delivery and collection facilities in penetrating low-income communities. Cooperatives in both rural and urban areas will facilitate the distribution of microinsurance products and services to their members. From support institutions will come technical assistance and training programs necessary to launch and distribute this new product for the low-income sector. They will also embark on the much-needed education campaign to raise public awareness on microinsurance. International development organizations will provide appropriate technical support in formulating and implementing standards. They will also help build the information database needed to develop microinsurance products. The Filipinos' resiliency in the face of tragedy is deep and resolute. Beyond relief operations, beyond government handouts, what the Filipino needs is the financial backing provided by insurance to help rebuild their lives after personal loss.
Kung may insurance lang sana kami tulad ng mayayaman, madali kaming makakabangon. Nakaya namin ang baha, kakayanin din namin makabangon muli. Okay sa akin yung microinsurance.
Kung nakakawa lang sana kami ng microinsurance noong buhay pa ang mister ko, malaki ang naitulong sa mga naiwang tulad namin. Kaya gusto ko talaga ang microinsurance.
If microfinance provides the poor their present financial needs, microinsurance will provide for their unexpected and future financial needs. Let us all support microinsurance. For private insurance providers, it will mean expanding into a huge untapped market with the least cost and investment. For microfinance institutions and cooperatives, it will provide the avenue for protecting the livelihood and source of income of small clients and their families. Most importantly, for millions of our countrymen, it would mean affordable protection against risks and the means to regain a comfortable and happy life. Magpaseguro para protektado.